I wish you could see the skull on my glass. Can't really see it because I'm drinking water. That's right, water. Water with ice.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
So today we're bringing you another easy, breezy, like dessert thing, right? Whatever. Who didn't like these as a kid? We're gonna use these. But I did see it on Tickety Tock Tock. I think they're like circus animal cookie cream cheese bombs. That's what I think. Anyways, Jason, are you ready to get started? Let's go. Take one, so good, just one bag on the cookies, right? Let it rip, it's on secure. Dump it in your bowl. This is where you have your softened 6 ounces of cream cheese. You just want this to be the binding component. What would you say to, now we respond to everybody, right? And we're getting a lot of people that are trying the recipes. We're getting a lot of people that want us to do a cookbook, and we are. It's coming out, not anytime soon. 2021, we're trying to do something different. Mix it up, it's gonna take you some time. Actually, yes, look how much fun this is. So we mix it together, looks like this. It's not gonna be this color. Inside is gonna be pink because I'm gay. Don't judge. You need me in your life. I will bring you love and light. I will make you laugh. Jesus will tell you I'm amazing. He made me with his own hands. Thank you. The next step, Jason, is we need to put these in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. And we'll see you back for the fun stuff. Bye. Now it's been 30 minutes and our little Halloween love bombs, very firm now. Great. Chocolate's melting. So you have your chocolate, your bowl is very hot. God, it smells so good. So I'm gonna try this one first, drop it in. Look at that. Jason, you're living for these, I know you are. And if you're not, I guess you're not my friend anymore. Perfect. Now you get to have fun. So now you're gonna add a little glitter, some orange sprinkles to this one. So this one I think needs a little bit of color. Look at that, how cool that is. Come on. Look at that. Oh, that's fun. Okay, now we freeze. Put this on top of the tequila bottles. No shade. That's for our guests, not for us. We drink water in this house.
Guys, it was all a lie.
I mean, we know what it's gonna taste like. It's chocolate, blah, blah, blah. A little circus cookie filling. Let's just see how it comes out. All right. Delicioso. This is so good. 10 out of 10. The reason why it's a 10 out of 10, it's festive, it's easy, it's affordable to make, tastes amazing. You can't mess up the recipe unless you burn your chocolate. I think I did my job for the day. I hope you're enjoying this little journey that we're going on through the holiday season because I'm the king of Christmas / holiday / Hanukkah. If you enjoyed it, we know what to do. Comment and then ring the bell for your notifications so you know like when we're gonna post something new. I think you've all seen like the new thing that when you click on the link, it goes to the website now. You can print out the recipes so you don't have to like keep rewinding and all that good stuff. Bye.